Hey everyone, welcome to TechHeaven with Kaan. I'm Kaan Turgut, your guide through the vast and fascinating world of cloud, DevOps and AI engineering. We're going to explore every corner of cloud computing with giants like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud. But that's just the beginning. We'll deep dive into the DevOps principles, infrastructure as code, container magic with Docker, orchestration with Kubernetes, the seamless flow of CI/CD pipelines, and the crucial skills of scripting, monitoring, troubleshooting, and much more. And it doesn't stop there. We'll also sharpen our logical thinking skills, which are essential for cracking the toughest problems in the tech. I essentially do this on a daily basis. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, TechHeaven with Kaan is your spot. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next videos.